Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the Spring Day Blueberry Black Tea in Heartopia. So the Spring Day Blueberry Black Tea is a new food recipe from the Dreamlight Cinematics week. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can make it. So first you need to have this popcorn surfing card, and once you have it, you can just click on this button to start cooking. Then just choose the recipe. It's Spring Day Fruit Black Tea. So in here I've already added the blueberry one, and after that you can just click on start cooking. But first you need to make sure you have all the ingredients. You have the sugar and also the tea leaves. And let's just start cooking. Okay, make sure that you pay attention to the heat level in here. Adjust it when it's become too hot. Okay, and let's just wait until the tea is done. Okay, it will be done in seconds. Okay, click on the button again. Oh, sorry, my backpack is full. So let me... Okay, now the Spring Day Blueberry Black Tea is done. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.